Maraming mga netizen ang nagbigay ng birthday message para kay Julian San Jose. Ngayon ay birthday niya, May 17. Kaya naman marami rin ang nagulat dahil sa revelasyon ni Raver Cruz tungkol sa age ng nasabing actress-singer. Narito ang message ng kanyang boyfriend na si Raver Cruz. To my best friend, my constant, my soulmate, and my love, happy birthday to you. You are now officially 30. Couldn't be more prouder, mahal. Alam mo namang andito lang ako palagi sa tabi mo kahit anong mangyari. Palagi ko na sinasabi to pero hindi na ako magsasawa na maging #1 fan mo for life. Thank you so much kasi araw-araw mong pinapasaya ang puso ko. Mahal na mahal kita, my limitless star. Nag-comment din doon ang pinsan ni Raver Cruz na si Geneva Cruz. Kaya naman isang reply ang binigay ni Julian. Thank you my love, I feel blessed every day. Binigay ka sa akin ni Lord, mahal na mahal kita. Sa puntong ito ay marami ding mga fans ang natuwa sa relationship ng dalawa na patuloy ngang nagiging strong lalo na sa pagdaan ng panahon. Natawa lang din ang ilang mga netizen dahil tila ibinuking nga ni Raver Cruz ang age ni Julian San Jose. Maraming mga fans na nagsabing talaga daw bang kailangang sabihin ng birthday ni Julian, pero ilang mga fans naman na nagsabi na ganito talagang magbiruan ng dalawa. Samantala narito pa ang ilan sa mga photos ni Julian at ni Raver na talaga namang very sweet.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night,